Yaobang Environment YBH5181ZYSD6 Compaction Garbage Truck. It is how company's environmental sanitation service in the industry for nearly a decade. And based on the experience of using environmental sanitation products, adopt accessories of international first-line brands, independent design, a completed environmental sanitation equipment suitable for the market. The specific operation process is as follows. Start the vehicle. When the air pressure reaches more than 8 atmospheres, step on the clutch and press the power takeoff. The power of the control box in the driver's cabin is turned on. According to loading mode, the dual electronic control system needs to be turned on in automatic mode. It can also be operated by a remote control. Place the trash can on the flip wrap. Open the seal cover. The upgrading of the institution. Pour the garbage into the hopper. Flip and lower to drop the trash can. If less garbage is poured in, we can perform compression in a single loop. If there is a lot of garbage in the hopper, continuous loop can be selected. After the garbage compression is completed, close loop button. Fold up the flip wrap. Turn off the power takeoff. Drive to the garbage transfer station or landfill. Turn on the power takeoff. Turn on the unloading switch in the driver's cabin. The loader is lifted. Push the shovel out. Unload the full garbage. After unloading is completed, retrieve the push shovel. Lower the filler. Finally, turn off the power switch of the electronic control box. Turn off the power takeoff. Drive away from the site. Homework completed.